Namaste everybody, welcome to Yogic Healing Heart. This is your friend Chaitali Shetty here, and I am here today yet again with an important and ancient technique which I feel is a need of the hour, and it is called as Jalaneti. And those of you who are the practitioners of yoga, you would be knowing this, and you also would have performed, and some of you would not be knowing anything about Jalaneti. Chalaneti, as name suggests, is from the Sanskrit, and it literally translates to water cleansing, and this was one of the Shatkarmas, and Shatkarmas are the ancient yogic practices which our yogis used to practice or perform in the morning in order to keep their body clean. And Chalaneti is one such cleansing technique, and I feel this is a need of the hour because, as you all know, most of us are at home because of the lockdown, and as you all know, we still have that doubt or fear that when after the staggered exit from the ongoing lockdown, when we start going outside, how are we going to fight this potential infection or the contagious disease called COVID-19? And all of us have this fear. As responsible individuals, we are going to wear masks, we are going to follow social distancing, but these things alone will not be sufficient, and I feel this is the right technique and it's the need of the hour because it's very ancient, it's time tested, and moreover recently I read that most of the medical practitioners are practicing this in the morning, and they have added this to their daily routine, and they have remained safe from this infection, and because despite their high risk jobs. So I feel this is the right technique, and because it is going to cleanse our upper respiratory disorders, it's going to prevent and manage the upper respiratory disorders, mainly the sinus, and also it's going to give a clarity, mental clarity, and then improves our vision, and a lot of benefits are mentioned even in our ancient scriptures like Hatha Yoga Pradipika and Geranda Samhita about Jalaneti. So I'm here today to perform Jalaneti. For that, all we need is a neti pot, and this neti pot, this is called as neti pot. This is readily available online, and also even in small healthcare centers also you're going to get this neti pot. And I have already filled this with the saline solution. To prepare the saline solution, you need to boil water, and for the boiling water you need to add half a tablespoon of salt and stir it well, mix it well, and then when it becomes lukewarm, pour it into the pot. They say that the warmth and the salt of the water should resemble that of our the saltiness and the warmth of our own teardrop or sweat. So my saline solution is ready. Now I am going to demonstrate how you can perform this Jalaneti, and to perform this, either you can sit in the squatting position or you may assume the standing position also, in case if you are not comfortable doing it by sitting. So this is how you're going to perform, and I'm going to explain before I demonstrate, because when I demonstrate I'll not be able to talk, and you need to breathe normally with the help of your mouth when you are performing this. So firstly we are going to start with our right nostril, and that time you need to tilt your head towards left side, and the nozzle of this neti pot should be inserted inside the right nostril. This is how you are going to do it, so that the water runs on the left side. Now the half of the pot is empty, so I am going to do it on the right side. For this, now you are going to tilt your head to the right side and insert the nozzle to the left nostril and run the water on the other side and see to it that you are breathing normally. Keep a towel handy so that you can blow your nose once the practice is over. It also is going to influence or bring some subtle changes at the end of your nasal passage. So they say that it's going to bring a kind of soothing effect to our brain and eyes. So after performing this neti, you need to expel the water, the drops or the moist that is still there in the nose by performing Kapalabhati. This is how you are going to do it. You are going to vigorously expel, breathe in and out, so that you are going to expel the remaining water from your nose, so that now your nostrils are dry and clear. So once you finish this practice, you feel that you are breathing very normally, because this is going to prevent and manage the breathing disorders and also the infections and the allergies. Every second person I meet in my city is having some or the other kind of infections. And for example, if you take me, I have dust allergy. So if we make this Jalaneti as the part of our routine, it's I feel that it's well worth practicing this, and this has to be our morning routine. This should become our morning routine, one of the practices of our morning routine, like our brushing our teeth or taking bath and all that. That is what our ancestors used to do. And this is time tested. Lot of benefits are mentioned in Giranda Samhita and Hatha Yoga Pradipika, our ancient scriptures, as I told you earlier. And also they say that these lines very well explain about the neti. They say that aankh, naak aur dant ke rog na paaye koi, नैन सदा निर्मल रहे, neti karma kare joy. This, I am going to end my talk here today and hope you have liked it.